I just wanted to create a quick tutorial covering Lecture 6 lecture work assignment for those of you who weren't in class with us. So you're going to open up SOLIDWORKS and go to New and select a part document and hit OK. Now we do want our units to be in inches, so go to the bottom of your part document window to the status toolbar. Make sure you're in inches. And I'm going to draw this just on the front plane. So select your front plane. These icons will pop up and select the normal to icon. Then it will bring your plane perpendicular to you so it's easier to sketch on. Then go up under your sketch tab and select the sketch icon, and we're going to create a new sketch. So I like to work my way around counterclockwise, and I like to sketch up the outline of the sketch first before dimensioning and adding in relationships. So go ahead and select the line icon. Now you're going to start at the origin. You have to always have an endpoint connected to your origin, or your sketch will be floating in space and will never become fully defined where all the lines are black. It will remain blue and undefined. So make sure you always start by sketching from the origin. So go ahead and select your origin. I'm going to bring a straight line over. Remember, if you follow the guidelines that SOLIDWORKS provides for you, it will automatically put in some of the relationships you need. So it automatically put in this horizontal relationship as well as my coincident relationship to my origin that I need. Now I need a straight line. I don't want an arc, so I'll go back to that endpoint. It's going to kind of come up at an angle. And I have another line. I do want that perpendicular icon so you can see it's yellow trailing my pointer. If I stay on this grid line and click down, it will automatically add that relationship. So go ahead and click it. I'll have another one, angle line that comes over, then a straight line that comes back to the origin. Now I'm going to go over on my feature tree manager and hit OK to get out of that line. So you can see SOLIDWORKS automatically gave me the coincident relationship because I'm attached to my origin. It gave me this horizontal relationship because I have a horizontal line, a vertical relationship because I followed those grid lines and created that vertical relationship, as well as the perpendicular relationship. So let's go ahead and start by smart dimensioning our part. So come up to your sketch tab, select the smart dimension tool. Remember, you want to select the whole line icon or line segment, not the midpoint. So select your bottom line, bring it down. I'm going to hit 4 and hit OK. Remember, you don't need to change the units because our whole part document window is in inches. Next, I'm going to select this line segment and bring out my dimension. Make sure your dimension doesn't come out this direction where it's creating a perpendicular angle, because notice how it changes. So if I leave it right here, it's 1.35, but if I bring it out parallel to the line, it's 1.9, so it's much longer. This is its true size, so you want your dimensions to line up parallel to the lines you are dimensioning. So click down, this is 1.5. Now we need to create an angle right here. So if you want an angle dimension, you need to select both line segments that you want your angle in between. So I'm going to select my bottom line segment and this side line segment, and then I can just bring that angle out. And that's 135 and hit OK. Note that I don't need dimensions on either of these lines. I have another angle in between these two line segments, so I'm going to select both of them and bring that angle out. And this time this angle is 120 and hit OK. Once again, I'm not changing my units because it automatically comes up in degrees. The final dimension is this side line. I just want you to notice how all the lines are in black besides one, and on our status bar it says it's underdefined. So we need to keep going till it's all black and fully defined. So go ahead and select that line segment, bring out that dimension. This is 2.25, hit OK. And now our sketch is fully defined. It is all black, it has all the relationships it needs and the dimensions. On our status toolbar, it states it's fully defined. For those of you who maybe didn't follow the guide marks and need to add in a relationship, so I just deleted that perpendicular one so you could see. There are two ways to do it. So you can come up under your Sketch tab, go over to the Display/Delete Relations, and Add Relation. Now I'm going to select the two lines that I want the relationship in between. On your Feature Tree Manager, you'll notice all your Add Relationship options come up. You select Perpendicular and hit OK. Our sketch is back to being fully defined. Now, to me, that's a long way to have to go over Add Relationship. So I'm going to delete that once again. The shortcut way is you're going to select this line, hold down your Control key, select this outer line that you want the relationship between, and then the Add Relationship toolbar automatically comes up. So all I did was select the line, hold Control on my keyboard, and select this other line instead of going all the way up. Select Perpendicular and hit OK. Remember to save this as your Lecture 6 work assignment, and let me know if you have any questions.